So we just wanted to show you this as a quick experiment. You can even do it at home. It's a bit of a hack that we were thinking. So you have these paint stains here, and Scotch-Brite, doesn't matter how hard you go at them, they simply won't budge. So we thought we would try using our medical grade hand sanitizer. Now, it's medical grade, but it's the same formulation that you will find of any hand sanitizer that's out there on the market. And we just wanted to show you that not a lot of people actually realise what this stuff is capable of when during the pandemic people were putting it on their skin. Some people still carry it around now. It's 70% alcohol. Makes you wonder what else is in it. But what we noticed was after accidentally spilling some of this, rather worrying. But we noticed that no brands, no lawsuits. As I say, most hand sanitizers are roughly the same. But as you can quite clearly see, this stain here, as soon as we've got the hand sanitizer on it, you can see there a visible difference. This one, that one's gone. So what we thought of as a fairly inert chemical that, I'll just leave that there to soak for a little bit. What we thought of as a fairly inert chemical that it was safe to kind of like rub on your hands month after month after month, every day for a long time, is actually strong enough to strip paint away. Do with that information what you will. Bit of elbow grease and that's pretty much gone. And it's kind of like, well, our handyman who's been helping us to refurb, his question was, which is a question that we're asking, is that if it can dissolve paint, what effect does it have on the skin? And I am sure that most hand sanitizers were tested for safety and so on, but it is just worth noting that that is what it does to paint. And do it yourself at home. You check this yourself if you have any doubt over this. That it's one of those chemicals that we were just told unthinkingly to use, and we're quite concerned that it might actually be fairly hazardous to put on your skin. To that end, to maintain good hygiene, the one thing that we would recommend absolutely is always washing your hands, always making sure that your hands are washed. The old 2 happy birthdays rule, and that's enough usually to get rid of any errant pathogens that are on them. Hand sanitizer is not really something that people should be using on a regular basis, and there is our proof.